So, you got your clients, and they know how important your accounting services are to their businesses. But all those services need your clients to work with you. Signing documents, sending in transactions, paying your invoices, whatever it may be, getting your clients to get you what you need is usually easier said than done. And you don't want to be a pain. It's just that you really need that document now. This is where Financial Sense comes in, and we have a feature we know you're going to love: the Client Portal. Okay, so what is the Client Portal? Well, it's not a magical gateway to another dimension, one where your daily work somehow does itself, but I think it's the next best thing. Instead of communicating with clients and exchanging sensitive documents through email and unsecured messages, the Financial Sense Client Portal gives you a single, highly secure, professionally branded center for documents, requests, transactions, and so much more, all made possible with our secure Magic Link technology, meaning clients never have to remember a username or a password. Text, email, message, call, use one, use them all. Hey, that rhymes. Whatever it may be, it all comes down to requesting your client get you the docs you need. But they might keep forgetting. Well, with the Financial Sense Client Portal, you can easily request information and shorten the client chase with automated reminders while making it easy for your clients to upload information through the portal. Nothing beats a phone call or an in-person appointment to get everything in place, but when you want all your details in order, you're going to need a secure chat. With the Client Portal, you can chat with clients in real time and organize all your conversations in one place. Now you've got a neat little audit trail of who spoke to the client, when they spoke, and what it was about. Not only that, but you can securely share folders and files with clients so they can easily access important documents when needed. It's the black hole that so much client work can get sucked into: uncategorized transactions. Sure, you found them all, but what are they actually about? Now you can automatically ask your clients about uncategorized transactions in QuickBooks Online and recategorize them all to finally check them off your list. Now you know everything. You're ready to be paid by your clients, and I'm sure your clients are ready to not have that invoice waiting on them anymore. Now you can get paid faster by making it easy for your clients to pay invoices with an intuitive design and automated payments. All this, plus you can provide your clients with professional online proposals that make it easy to showcase the importance of your extra services. Hearing all that is one thing, but how has it actually helped Financial Sense clients? Well, see for yourself.
Our workflow, we have it more structured. We can put more details, hyperlinks to go into the areas we need to log on. Everything is in one hub, which is wonderful. We are able to now do the client requests through the system and have that portal and be able to be notified when they've actually answered it or uploaded the documents that we've requested. So that's like my favorite.
The Client Portal is just one of so many different features available within Financial Sense. When combined with features like workflow automation, time tracking, billing and payments, and so much more, accounting and bookkeeping firms are becoming efficient and profitable in ways they never even dreamed of. Learn more about the Client Portal and Financial Sense by scanning the QR code on screen or clicking the link below.